So hey guys, if you click this video, I already knew there is something inside you that you want to change or improve. And listen carefully, this video can actually change your life. I am not some motivational guru to give you lecture. I am here to teach you something valuable, something important, something that can build your future. I paid thousands to learn tattooing and master this art, but I am here giving it all away for free. If you follow me and practice seriously for 3 months, I promise you can call yourself a tattoo artist. Let's not waste our time and let me introduce myself. I am Manish, founder of Diabolical Tattoo, and I am beginning your tattoo journey today. Before tattooing, we start with drawing. Tattooing is just drawing on real skin, and if your hand isn't sturdy, your tattoo won't be clean. So in this first lesson, let's start with the most basic but most important lines. So at first, what you guys actually need is just a regular pencil and a drawing book. So what I did here is I divided it into 12 parts. So you have to start with the basics, lining. You have to do is draw like this, straight lines in equal distance with single stroke. This is the first step. Then you have to do is from here. Then you have to do is here. Like this. And then you have to do is here. Like this. And then in this one you have to do the curve thing like this, and then from the opposite side same you have to do is here and then here and then from here. After doing these exercises, you have to do the spiral one like this. Keep doing it until your last point. Do same from the another side. So try these diagonals, then curves and then circles. Get comfortable with it. Once you've mastered all this, remember the goal is control. Make your hand do exactly what you want. The first step to being a tattoo artist. Alright, this was your first lesson. I know this looks simple, but this is the foundation. Do this every single day until you feel steady and confident. In the next lesson, we'll learn shading, how to add depth and shadows in your drawing. So subscribe, keep practicing. So subscribe, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson next week.